Hey friends, it's me Tekibrutu. Welcome back in another video. In this video, let's unbox this beast. Oh, what's it? So without further delay, let's get started. Wait. So this is the camera and the charging beast, the Oppo Reno 4 Pro, as you can see. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. As you can see, we have the Oppo Reno 4 Pro's box, and on the rear side it's written Reno in the gradient finish and the Reno 4 Pro itself and the branding over here. And I've got the 8128 variant, and on the side it's Oppo and ICC, and on the back side we get to know the SAR value. So I'll let you know the SAR value. So we get 1.91 for head and 0.7 for watt per kilogram for body. So let's unbox it. So after unboxing we get these box contents. So let me explain you again. So this is the Super Woo 2.0 charger with an 65-watt output, and afterwards we get a type C cable with an yellowish tint, and after that we get an earphones. So these are quite surprising, so many of the brands ignore now. So let me come to the device. So we get a polycarbonate cover too, and now let's come to the device. As you can see, we have a punch hole camera on the top left, and on the downside we have a 3.5 mm jack and a type C port and a speaker grill, and on the right side we have a power button, and on the left side we have volume rocker, and on the top we have SIM slots, which is a Norton hybrid, 2 SIMs plus one micro SD card you can set up. So now let's go ahead. Now, as I have successfully set it up the device, the first hand in experience is pretty good. I've set the refresh rate to 90 Hz, and the plastic back, it's plastic, made up of plastic, but seems very premium in quality. While holding the hand, it's a good tactile, and as you can see, the back is having ingredient finish. That's all for a quick hands-on. Now let's go out and test the device and check how it performs in the real-time experience. And the on-paper specs don't matter that much, but the real-time experience matters more. So let's go. So now I've come out to check the Oppo Reno 4. Now I'm downloading the manual camera compatibility test. So let's till then I'll capture some images for you. As I have run the test, the results are here in front of you. All are ticked. So it supports raw images and so on. It will support the Gcam. So I'll be making a video on it. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for that. Let's test the camera. So the overall image looks good. The red and the blue are too good saturated, and the sky is also well exposed. So it looks a completely good image. So this video is being shot by the Oppo Reno 4's front camera. As you can see the stabilization, and I'm using the earphones given in the box, so you can check the audio quality too. Being a cloudy day, The display was pretty bright enough and the screen visibility was also too good. So I am totally impressed by its display. So now let's play PUBG and test the gameplay and check the graphics. So let's get started. So as of now, smooth and ultra options are available, and SD high is available, and but the SDR isn't available yet, will be soon available. And let's play. I'm testing it on smooth ultra, so you'll get the idea. The gameplay was quite good. I didn't face any frame drops or anything. I was playing on smooth ultra, so lag free experience. So that was amazing. So friends, that's all for the unboxing video, and many more videos are yet to come on Oppo Reno 4 Pro and comparison and gaming test, camera review, etc. So stay tuned for that. Do hit like button, subscribe to my channel, and till then, bye bye.